So here we are. The floors are in. The stairs in. That's the rest of the floors. Look at these amazing walls. Ted's painted. We got this cool artwork in our art niches. Oh, and really cool doors. Peanut's room. Oh, window seat. Tiana's coming today, so this is for Shawnee. Oh, there's your door. Oh, Shawnee. There's your balcony. Yes, that's your balcony. Look how pretty your bathroom is. The floors, they're not grouted yet. The counter. Pretty little amber stones. Tile, rocks. Check it out. That's the bathtub. Heated floor in there. Couldn't afford to do the whole house. There's a view off the balcony. Don't take that extra step. You can see we've got a lot to do. But that's the courtyard. There's the new fireplace. There's the loggia. It's raining. Lovely. This is actually Sean's balcony. Okay. That's it.